Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting risk and gaining access. Park both vehicles, turn off power, and set the brake. Once done, identify whether you have a 7-pin or 4-pin connector because they wire different functions. Make sure the plug faces correctly. Align the pins visually and push straight in until it seats or clicks. This prevents bent pins. You should feel resistance, then engagement. If the socket has a cover, flip it back so there's no strain. This first connection sets the stage for testing and wiring check. Once connected, secure the plug with its clip or latch to avoid disconnection while driving. Then apply a thin coat of dielectric grease to the contacts. This reduces corrosion and improves conductivity. Next, have an assistant cycle the vehicle lights while you observe the trailer. Test tail lights, brakes, then left and right turn signals one at a time. If a lamp doesn't work, check the bulb and socket. Also check the ground wire continuity to the trailer frame, because a poor ground causes many intermittent failures. Finish by securing loose wiring along the trailer tongue. Leave a service loop for turns so wires don't strain. Make sure connectors are latched and the cover closed to keep out moisture. If a light still fails, use a multimeter or inexpensive trailer tester to check for 12V at each pin. That tells you whether the vehicle or trailer circuit is at fault. A frequent fix is cleaning or reattaching the ground, replacing corroded sockets, or changing a blown bulb. Try those before replacing whole harnesses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.